zinc through your diet, you can just top it up with taking a supplement. With zinc, they've shown that zinc can inhibit coronavirus RNA replication, so it can be really helpful in reducing your infection of coronavirus. And so it is helpful to take that as a supplement. Zinc is usually used for helping with cell division and growth. It also has antiviral activity, so super helpful for a virus like coronavirus. Too much in a supplement because it makes you feel really nauseous. So if you do take it as a supplement and feel sick, it's probably you're taking a too high a dose. So that's a good way to kind of judge whether you're having too much. And then the other big one that's used a lot is vitamin C, and I know we do vitamin C so much for its antioxidant, property boosting immune system. It's always a good one. Just know it's water-soluble vitamin, so you do pee if you have too much. So it's better to take just a little bit and keep it at more optimal levels rather than loading in between levels of vitamin C.
Wonderful, thank you so much, Erin. And of course, if you do have cold or flu symptoms, follow the government's protocols and get tested. Erin did find me through an interesting article in sciencenews.org called Can Supplements Really Help Fight COVID-19? If you're interested in supplements, you might want to have a look at some of the research that they have there. So that was sciencenews.org. Yes, Toxie, it is 6 to 11.
Well, if you'd like to boost your energy levels, support a strong immune system and support a healthy heart, I've got Nani Lopez with me right now with a great 3 supplement special. Hello,
along with my famous Pen Red boost.
Oh, then sitting something up with speed limit settings eliminate කරන්න බෑ. ඔව්. වදිනක නවත්තන්න පුළුවන්. ආ වදිනක නවත්තන්න. නෑ මං කියන්නේ ඒක ඔප්ෂන් එකක් විදියට ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවද 50 පයින්කොට වදින්න? වාහන ඔප්ෂන් එකක් විදියට මේකේ GPS ඩිටෙක්ට් කරනවනේ. ඔව්. පාරේ ස්පීඩ් ලිමිට් එකට වඩා වැඩිපුර යනවා නම් වදිනවා. ආ. 80 පාරක නම් 90 95න් වදිනවා. ආ. 100 නම් 120න් වගේ වදිනවා. ඔව්. ඒක තමයි වාග්ගල්ලේ දැන් 50 50ට වදිනවා. මොටෝ වේ එකේ විතරම වදිනවා. කියලා.
So, how do you order?
You buy online at my fabulous new updated website, nannylope.com, or call us on 0800 114 115.
So that's the chance to save almost $80 right now on 3 of the best from lanilopez.com. Remember to always read the label and take as directed.
News Talk ZB Auckland community notices with stressless recliners from Danske Mobile Furniture. Relax, it's time for stressless.
Royal Oak Rackets Club is holding its Tennis and Squash Open Day on September 19th in conjunction with Love Tennis. All ages are welcome and no experience is necessary as coaches will be available with playing tips. Head along and play for free between 11 and 4. Visit royaloakrackets.co.nz for more details.
Caring for our community. News Talk ZB and Danske Mobile Furniture.
Thank you very much for your feedback. I've had an awful lot of feedback about our interview just after 10 with Abbas Nazari. Most of you are talking about what I have another text here from Peter that said, good morning, interesting interview with Abbas. It was our small specialist forensic that processed that group of refugees from the Tampa on behalf of New Zealand. It is lovely to see that it is
ඒවයි ගියාට පස්සේ ඒක ක්ලේම් කරන්න shipping ගෙවන්න කියනවා මේ ඩොලර් 100ක් ගෙවන්න කියනවා.
It is an incredible story and it's a beautifully written story as well. My mother has already texted and said I'll be taking that one, Francesca, so it's coming your way, Mum, to keep you busy. Now look, another book that you might want to pick up is Michael Robotham's latest. Michael Robotham is an Australian award-winning crime writer who also used to work as a journalist and also a ghostwriter, and he's written some fascinating, he's written for some interesting people. He's written Jerry Halliwell, Rolf Harris, Lulu, he's written all their autobiographies. So we're going to talk to him about writing crime, but also what it was like trying to put yourself into Jerry Halliwell's world and voice. So that's coming up just after 11 here on News Talk ZB.